Grand Rising, Divine Collective. I woke up with a request to do a reading for, I believe it was Aquarius. So we are going to tap into the zodiac sign of Aquarius. See what it is that you have going on. Spirit says that there is an overflow attached to your energy, Aquarius, okay? There's opportunities here, abundance, you have favor, Spirit says. I'm getting a pregnancy. Someone here may be expecting. This doesn't have to be a literal pregnancy. Maybe you're birthing something new here, Aquarius. Maybe you're taking a leap of faith. I'm kind of getting the Fool. A lot of you starting something new here. Going in a different direction, I'm hearing, Aquarius. Someone here mocked you. I heard this was very disgraceful. Whoever this is mocking you, this is a disgrace to God, okay? Aquarius, Spirit is suggesting that you need to watch your food intake and the way that you are eating. That is of significance. As in each of my readings, Spirit always, tries to bring your attention to something that you may not be aware of, that you could work on, that may help you on your journey, okay? Elevate you. So in this reading, Aquarius, Spirit is suggesting that you watch your food intake in the way that you are eating, okay? I'm getting a journalist in this reading. Someone here is gaining knowledge about who you are, Aquarius. A journalist is of significance. Someone is realizing that you're unreachable, you're untouchable, okay? This is someone who was addicted to your energy. This addiction led to an obsession with your energy, Aquarius, okay? Someone here said that you were chasing them. I'm getting a caution. A caution. What's this about, Spirit? You have a big break here, Aquarius. Career turning point, major opportunities. A lot of opportunities are headed your way. Life-changing moment, Aquarius. Spirit says this is it. This is it. An upcoming trip signifies increased clarity regarding the future, okay? I get this for all of my readings, Aquarius. Spirit telling me that these people in your energy, they felt much more comfortable when you were small, when you had no voice, okay? I've gotten that for every single zodiac reading that I've done. Spirit wants you to recall their mockery. Someone here that was mocking you. Spirit is calling this person a disgrace. I'm hearing recall their mockery. Deceit in their grins, okay? Deceit in their grins. There's a couple people like that, Divine Collective, at least there was in my life, where I couldn't quite put my finger on it. This was before I awakened. I couldn't quite put my finger on it, but when they would smile, when they would look at me and they would grin or they would smile, I could see the deceit in their grin. It wasn't a normal smile at all, okay? And I'm picking up on this person having that look of, it's like this very deceitful grin where they're doing something they shouldn't be doing, okay? I'm getting ignorance, Aquarius. Ignorance prevents you from making good decisions. Fear prevents you from seizing good opportunities. Someone here is trying to project fear onto you. They don't want you to make good decisions here, Aquarius. I feel like you call judgment on whoever this is. I do. I feel like you called judgment on this person. A lot of you did. Whoever this is in your life that continues to overstep your spiritual boundaries, you absolutely call judgment on this person and distance yourself. Okay, I'm getting distance from family, Aquarius. There's some type of intriguing message I'm also picking up on here in this reading, or a phone call. Clarify. Spirit says you showed these people so much love. I feel like this has to do with family. You showed these people so much love. You may be getting a phone call from someone here that you've had to set boundaries with, Aquarius, who is going through the dark night of the soul. This person is currently going through the dark night of the soul. Okay, watching you thrive here. I am picking up on an ingenuine offer. There is an ingenuine offer here. Make sure that you're listening to your intuition. Okay, Aquarius. 354 is of significance. I'm getting 354 in this reading. 531 on the clock. Domino effect of good news here, Aquarius. There's a domino effect of good news. A lot of opportunities I'm picking up on here, Aquarius. Spirit is telling me that you will have more than enough and you will share your wealth, okay? I feel like you're a very giving person. Spirit is saying you're going to have more than enough, okay? You're going to be able to share, Aquarius. Someone wants to apologize here. This is a dangerous energy, however, okay? Someone that wants to apologize to you, this is a dangerous energy. Spirit is cautioning you when it comes to this person. The only reason they're coming back to try and get into your energy, Aquarius, is because you are now entering a period of elevation here. You've grown. I'm getting growth, elevation. You are being upgraded, Spirit says. You're stepping into a new path here that aligns more with who you truly are. This is a time of becoming, 6:42 on the clock, not staying the same. So yes, Aquarius, a lot of you are elevating here. You've grown. There's growth here, elevation. You're being upgraded. because you're dedicated to your purpose and your calling. So a lot of you are being upgraded here, okay? Spirit wants me to tell you, Aquarius, not to allow fear or obsession to consume your focus. I'm being talked to about hypervigilance, okay? Spirit is saying that the Four of Pentacles, I'm getting the Four of Pentacles here, can trap people into hypervigilance, Aquarius, okay? If you are being isolated, you are being positioned to tap into your inner power. 7:36 on the clock. Those that worked against you, Aquarius, they're down for the count. Spirit says they did too much, they pushed too far, tried to take you down, and collapsed under their own actions here. I'm getting an artillery man. Artillery man is of significance in this reading, Aquarius. Someone is really angry. They're pissed off about your wish fulfillment. Someone broke the law here, and they will be punished. Spirit is letting me know. Punishment, penalty for breaking the law. Aquarius, you may be asked to speak or give a speech. Something about speaking, someone asking you to speak here. Someone really tried to ruin your reputation so that you would not get any type of opportunities, so that no one would want to work with you, Divine Collective. But I'm picking up on someone who is self-made, efficient, and wealthy, all by yourself, okay? It's like you have the Ten of Pentacles all by yourself. You've done this all by yourself. No one else has helped you do this. So, yeah. Whoever this is that tried to ruin your reputation so no one would want to work with you, completely failed, backfired, because you've gotten all this on your own anyway. July Cancer is of significance in this reading, Aquarius. I feel like you're headed towards a different financial tax bracket here, 9:17 on the clock. What I say, 555, major changes. Golf could be of significance. Golf ball sized hail could be of significance. Picking up on hail, ice storm. 555, major changes I'm getting. Aquarius, an ending. Spirit is saying you are entering a new phase of financial freedom here. Okay, Archangel Michael has cleared away all negative energy and has his sword raised in this reading, okay? Protecting you, Aquarius. Peace, love, and light.